So I just finished running the numbers for the Kansas City housing market for February, and when I compared it to 2023, there's really not a whole lot of difference between the two. This time last year, we had mortgage interest rates roughly what they are now, which is anywhere from 6.5 to low sevens. The Fed is not planning on adjusting those at all. They are meeting this month, I think mid this month, maybe the 10th or something like that, and they're going to decide if they're going to lower the interest rates or raise them. They are planning on, as far as I know, they are planning on not doing anything with them. So the 7% mortgage interest rates are here to stay. So let's just go ahead and look at these numbers. This last month in February in Blue Springs, we sold 46 homes. Compared to last year, we sold 59 in the month of February. In Lee Summit, we sold 73. Last year, we sold 85. In Green Valley, we sold 24, which is actually double what we sold in the month of February in 2023. Independence stayed roughly about the same with only 10 more units sold this month. Overland Park was down a little bit, about 25%, with only 100 sold homes compared to 124 sold homes last year. In Kansas City, we sold 447 homes. Last year, we sold 542 homes. And then overall in the entire MLS, we sold 1,827 homes. But last year in February, we sold 1,987 homes, which is a 160 home difference. If we jump over to the average sale price in Blue Springs, it was $330,000 for the month of February in 2024, which is actually $1,000 less than it was last year. Lee Summit had a pretty big improvement for this February at $454,000 compared to the $395,000 last year. The average sale price in Green Valley actually dropped to $351,000 compared to $364,000. Independence didn't see much of a difference at $198,000 compared to $204,000 last year. Overland Park dropped about 12 grand, being at $537,000 compared to $549,000 last year. Kansas City saw a $17,000 increase on its average sale price at $291,000 compared to $274,000 last year. And the average sale price for the entire MLS increased by $17,000 also. It went from $321,000 last year to $338,000 this year. If we look at the percent of homes sold in under 30 days, it was actually an increase in Blue Springs from this time last year, a decrease in Lee Summit, an increase in Green Valley, a decrease in Independence, an increase in Overland Park, and a decrease in Kansas City and the MLS as a whole. Just to the right is a list of the active listings and average sale prices in each area. And then to the right of that is the pending sales and the average list prices that they have. So in Blue Springs, there are 42 homes pending sale, so they will likely close here in March. The average sale price is $320,000, which is actually going to drop the average sale price for the month of March compared to February, unless there's some higher priced homes that are going to close towards the end of March that aren't currently under contract. In Lee Summit, there's 101 homes pending sale with an average sale price of $455,000, which will be a pretty good bump in Lee Summit for comparison in March from February. Looks like Green Valley will take a little bit of a hit in March if it continues like this, with only 14 pending sales with average sale price of $334,000, which will actually be $30,000 less than February of last year. March is looking good for Independence with 87 homes under contract with an average sale price of $219,000. So that will be a nice little jump for Independence. Same thing with Overland Park. There are 137 homes pending sale with an average sale price of $612,000. And then Kansas City is on track to do a little better in March with 452 homes pending sale with an average sale price of $296,000. And then in the entire MLS, there are 1,920 homes pending sale with an average sale price of $371,000, which is almost $40,000 more than February. With springtime right around the corner, historically, our inventory should start to rise with more sellers wanting to get their house on the market with the nicer weather. And even though the Fed isn't planning on lowering the interest rates, they will still be roughly what they were the same time last year. So I would expect to see these numbers to stay pretty consistent on all of this. I would hope to see some more solds in each one of these areas and maybe just a slight increase on some of these ones that are performing poorly on the average sale price. As always, if there are any specific areas you'd like me to look into to generate one of these reports for you, I'd be more than happy to do so. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.